year since COP26 here in Scotland, and a lot's happened in that year. We can't lose focus on the need to decarbonise buildings. It's an absolutely essential part of the transition globally to net zero. And until we get to net zero, we'll keep warming this planet and keep causing damaging climate change. So it's an essential part of this transition, and we've got to get it right.
Fest has just been amazing. I think to have as many stakeholders as you have, as many people signed up as Best have in the room is just fantastic. It's a great opportunity as a speaker to be able to engage with an audience like this.
It's amazing to see how many different people, or people from different backgrounds that we've got here. We've got clients, we've got contractors, we've got people at design stages, people at early stages of their career. We've got a complete overview of the construction industry, and that's actually what we need. We can't have siloed thinking, so the crossover between all of these people is what's really important.
And I think it's going to spark lots of conversations that will go on longer than just today. So that's the real benefit, is the legacy of these events and the conversations they start and the connections they make.
I've got a few things that I've liked about today. So the first one is the great representation of women that I've seen speaking, and how well those women have done to represent our sector. Secondly, there's been so much talk about reuse, retrofit, rather than it all being focused on new build.
Best Fest has been the most enjoyable trade show that I've ever been at in my entire life.
Today has been brilliant, and we found the people that have came along have been so engaging. Everyone wants to talk and learn about what we do.
That first-hand sort of knowledge of it can be done is what carries you through all the difficult times. And I see actually bringing as many people together and talking about their stories is absolutely critical.
It's just an amazing event. Look at the size of it. It's really exciting to be around this many people talking about decarbonising buildings. My message about this event is, let's have more of this. Let's have more of this getting together, talking in an excited way about the challenge that lies ahead, instead of the kind of miserable discussion that occasionally grips us when we talk about decarbonising buildings. This is the most important challenge facing this country and all the other countries around the world. Let's do it.
Because we're the younger generation and it is our future. Just stop saying things and start doing them. Stop waiting for other people to do it for you.